Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel, and today we'll be doing a review of Bristro Slim Mechanical Eraser. So when this product launched, basically I was like, oh my god, take my money, because this was the eraser I was looking for such a long time. I already owned the Bristro other electrical eraser, but the problem with this eraser what I faced was it was very difficult to attain a very sharp point, and you have to keep on repeating sharpening it, so in order to get a very pinpoint tip for your drawings. Whereas this one came out as a really big surprise. So the moment I saw the Bristro live launch of this product, I was like, I have to get hands on this one. So basically I'm a charcoal artist who is more interested in drawing wildlife as well as portraits. So when I need to give the fur texture, I found it really difficult using the normal erasers available right now. So basically the erasers I use are the Tombow Mono Zero eraser, but it was very difficult to give a very good highlight without using the electrical eraser. So that is when I started using this Bristro electrical eraser. This was purchased by me, I think, around a year and a half back. So it has been a very good buddy of me to create very wonderful highlights. But the only problem I faced with this is the place where I had to create a very strong highlight, but I was not able to get done with this basically. So my take on this Bristro Slim eraser is this is pretty good, and let's get started from the unboxing. Okay. So the packaging is quite neat, and it comes with two sets of erasers. One is 2.5 mm and other one is 5 mm width. And they've printed the instructions quite clearly at the back. They've also printed the ways the erasers can be used. The model is quite sleek, and if you see, the batteries are to be inserted from the behind point. So the batteries we require for this is two AAA batteries. They've kept the design as simple as possible, and it's very easy to use. As you see, I'm inserting two AAA batteries. And the holder is also easy, and it's quite very soft button to work on with. So now let's insert the other tiny eraser. So they've given two attachment bases, which is very good. Even if we try to break or lose one, we can use the other one, and it's very easy to replace the attachments. So far so good. Let's start off with sharpening the eraser. So I'm using a sandpaper block to sharpen the eraser, and the sharpening is quite easy when compared to the other Bristro eraser. I could achieve a very sharp point after just a few seconds of sharpening. You can see the details here, working with the highlights. So in this video we'll be seeing how to use this eraser for highlighting different parts. So here I'm using it to highlight the points on a turbine. So it actually does its job. Here I'm going to use this eraser to create the highlight points on the lip texture I've been working on. And frankly, I have to say I was mind blown because you can see how crisp the highlights I've created are, and it really is a very good buy. I've always not been a very big fan of the white jelly roll pens. So this eraser, I would say, will definitely be a very good replacement for those white jelly roll pens. This was the point I was waiting for. So as you can see, it created a very good highlights for the hair texture, which I was not able to achieve using the Tombow Mono Zero eraser only. And the sharpening it requires also is very less. I was able to create quite good highlights with this eraser. So when I used this eraser for my recent to be one of the greatest tools I've come across, all the white hair that required highlights were very easy to draw with this eraser. If you see this eraser, it comes around an Indian net rate of $3.99, which I feel is a pretty good rate for beginners. So if anyone out there wants to get any highlights for any erasers for highlights, I would definitely ask you guys to procure this, because this has been really good for me. And I've been using this for my last art. I've been doing my last art has a lot of white hair texture, which I found very difficult to obtain only using the Tombow Mono Zero eraser. So this one can be used more both as a mechanical eraser as well as a electrical eraser. So if you guys are very interested in drawing fur texture or textures like hair or beard, I will say this is definitely the go-to eraser. And Brusco has really outdone themselves in creating this eraser, and the model is very sleek to hold, and it comes as if like a very good thing to work on with it. And the design they've kept is kind of very basic, and it really does this job. And when I browsed on Amazon regarding the other erasers of this type, I found one eraser. But what I personally think is, when you want to procure eraser, go for the branded ones. And Brusco, basically, I am always an ardent fan of Brusco, starting from the papers as well as the charcoal dust and pencils. So when they introduced this, I was like, I have to buy this, and it didn't disappoint me. I am fully satisfied with this. Hope you guys also give a try, and give a thumbs up for this video and subscribe. And do not forget to comment your views in the comment box. I would love to hear your comments. Take care, guys.